How to clone a voice in 11 Labs. This is all you need to do. Come here, click on Voices, and then click on Add a New Voice. You'll see a bunch of options. You can either choose Professional Voice Clone. I already have one slot used, so I'll do Instant Voice Clone. Just a few minutes of audio. You can go ahead and create a voice clone. So you need at least 10 seconds of audio. Okay, you'll have to upload this. You need to have a environment which is not noisy. You don't want the background sounds, because what will happen is when you're generating something using this voice, it will also use the background sound as part of your voice. You want to make sure you have a decent microphone quality, and you want to use a consistent equipment. So basically, if you're recording multiple different samples, you want to make sure you're using the same mic so it picks up your voice as it is from with a one mic, right? So let me go ahead and record audio. Click on record audio and just enable your microphone. It'll ask you permission. We'll allow. Okay, so now I'll get a script to go ahead and record with. All right, so here we go. Click on start. Hello there. My name is William, and this is a sample of my voice. I'm speaking naturally, clearly, and at a steady pace. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This classic sentence contains every letter in the English alphabet, making it a great way to test pronunciation. Now, let's try some variation in tone and emotion. Excitement. Wow, this is amazing. Curiosity. I wonder how this works. Serious. Okay, so that now we have 30 seconds. So when you toggle this on, this will remove all the background noise from your audio recordings. I have very minimal, but we'll still toggle this one on. And then once you're ready, you can press on next. Now let's go ahead and listen to this of my voice. I'm speaking naturally, clearly, and at a steady pace. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This classic sentence contains every letter. All right, that sounds really nice. So what we can do is come here and click on next. Okay. And next we'll have to enter some voice information. So we'll let this go into 11 Labs. So you can go ahead and preview that if you want. Right, now let's add a name. I'll name this one right here. All right, so I've named it Pioneer. A value, I'm going to put this as English for the language. Okay, description. This is for a tutorial video. And then we'll go ahead and save this voice. And then we have to agree to the terms. Of course, make sure this one is checked, and then just click on Save Voice right here down at the bottom right. And then just wait for 11 Labs. Now you can basically go ahead and try this out, right? Or you can just go ahead and skip this. Let me show you how to access it. So I'm going to skip this for now. Go to Voices. Here under My Voices, you can go ahead and click on Personal, and here you'll see Pioneer. So I can use this right now to do a test run. So let's do this test run and see how it actually works. So add an exclamation mark. Let's generate this speech. Let's see how well 11. Let's do this test run and see how it actually works. Wow, it actually did a pretty good job. And it is really that easy and simple, guys.